Okay guys, after we talked about a potential local bottom for Bitcoin and we broke above the $19,700, Bitcoin has been just pumping to the upside like crazy. But is this a sustainable pump? Guys, if we take a look already at the RSI on the 4 hourly, we can see it is time for some sideways action or a small correction for Bitcoin. The daily RSI, I mean, we talked about it yesterday, we were forming lower lows on the chart, we were forming higher lows on the RSI, a bullish divergence, and we saw this massive pump now in the last couple of hours. The only problem is, as I already said, RSI is already looking exhausted on the 4 hourly, and on the daily we are climbing relatively quickly, not leaving too much more room for an immediate pump to the upside. Why is this immediate pump to the upside important? Guys, we need to take a look at the weekly and also the monthly time frame for that right now, and then we are going to work our way down to the smaller time frames till we find out what the most likely scenario for the next 2 days and 17 hours is, and especially if we should open any new trades, because as you guys know, after we broke above the $19,700 yesterday, I closed all of my short positions. That is also what I said in my yesterday's video. By the way, thank you very much guys for your support. Again, we almost reached 1,000 likes on the yesterday's video. I would really appreciate it if you would smash up a like here on today's video. Maybe we can reach 1,000 likes. That would be amazing. And also don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and leave a comment down below with your opinion on this video. It supports the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. But now let's talk about the charts. So on the monthly time frame, we still need to climb above this this upward sloping support. And this is the level of 21,800 to 22,300. This is the price range where this monthly candle should close, that we are not getting a very bearish monthly candle close. The weekly candle, guys, this is something a lot more dangerous because this is not happening in 21 days, but in 2 days and 16 hours. And this weekly candle now can really decide if we will have a bullish continuation into the upper $22,000 levels, where we get the chance to break potentially above the monthly now past support turned into resistance and above our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level that we are going to talk about in a second. But as you guys can see, we have here our cluster of very important weekly candle openings and closes, and if this weekly candle manages to close above the $21,300 level, that would be the first very good step in establishing a bullish chart, also with a higher low, which also would be very beneficial here on our weekly time frame, as long as we can establish a higher high relatively quickly afterwards and we don't get another rejection here of our past falling wedge. But what is the bearish scenario? The bearish scenario is that we can still form a weekly hammerhead candle here. That would mean that our price gets sold off all the way down to the $2,200 levels. That would mean we would close below all of our very important weekly candle closes and openings here in the next 2 days and 17 hours. And this for sure would mean a bearish weekly candle close and a most likely bearish continuation with the next weekly candle. But now let's take a look at the even smaller time frames to find out how realistic that is, and for sure if we need to open any new trades, because I can already tell you, if this turns out to be a massive bull trap, I want to be prepared with a new short position for the potential dump to the $16,000 to $14,000 level. So first of all, on the monthly time frame, as I showed you, we need to get above the 21,800 to $22,200 level, and this is actually also exactly the price level where here on the daily time frame our current daily 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is at $22,300 level. So nevertheless, no matter what, till the end of the month, we want to be above this level to be sure that the bottom was in most likely. And we only have a little bit of horizontal resistance above us before this is actually possible. But we have to keep one thing in mind. And that is, like I said, first of all, we are already very oversold here on the 4 hourly. We are getting into the higher territories on the daily already after just seeing a relatively small pump, and we still need to go all the way above the $22,000 level and at least till the end of the week above the $21,300 level. And I have to say, I don't see the likelihood so far all too high. I really want to see that we are stabilizing, getting some bullish continuation patterns. I will update you tomorrow about that immediately, or in our Discord community. As you guys know, join our free Discord community. We have market updates, exchange in and outflows. We have everything pretty much. We have trading tutorials. We have community chats where people are sharing their trades, where people are sharing their trade ideas, where people are sharing their charts and stuff like that. We have the community chat. So guys, make sure to make use of that. It's completely for free for people in my community and supporting the channel. The only thing you have to do is go to the video description, sign up on BitGet or Phemex, the exchange you want to use. You can get up to $4,000 in bonus. On both exchanges, you can get 15% reduced fees on BitGet with my link. With that, then you have the lowest fees on BitGet in the market. And on top of that, you can then just go to cryptomo.io, guys. And on that website, just watch the boom. Let's switch to English, how to join for free. Guys, watch this video and then you can easily join. Shout out to Mario, Razor, Lasse, the top 3 in our leaderboard here in the Crypto.io community. But guys, join, go to dashboard, like I said, do everything like it is explained here in the how to join for free. It's a very, very easy step-by-step explanation. Just make sure to watch this so you don't make any mistakes, and then you will have access to the free community and all these channels here on Discord, and access to all the other community members that are actually talking to each other and providing useful information. But now guys, let's just jump back into the charts. Because as I already said, we now only can expect a single thing in my opinion. And this is that we are going to see a relatively quick correction or something like a falling wedge. We will probably retest this symmetrical triangle here. And as you can see, this is at the $20,200 level. This is the level where the weekly candle needs to stay above. We need to stay above the $20,200 level. So if we see a beautiful bounce within the next 24 hours, I am confident that maybe till Sunday we could break the $21,300 level to the upside, have a bullish weekly candle close, and then everything is a lot more realistic that this has been the bottom. But if we see within the next 24 hours a retest, which like I said, RSI is already very, very high, which is not unlikely, and we break below this now past resistance that now should have turned into support. If we break that to the downside again, especially if we see that we not maybe get a quick wick below it and we close the hourly candle above it, but we also break the $19,700 to the downside again, guys, then it's looking very bad. Then this looks like a very, very bad and vicious bull trap, and something where we can that only was done pretty much in anticipation to have a recovery on the RSI, so we now have enough room again to dump even lower because there's a lot of long orders now in the market and so on. But as soon as we break 21,300, we close our weekly candle above that, I mean, it's game time. I will actually scale up my long position a little bit. As you guys know, I opened at the $20,400 level a couple of days ago already, a new swing long position. I will show you that in tomorrow's video. All of my short positions are closed, as you know, but I will show you that in tomorrow's video. It's only a very small swing trade, $30,000 of capital with a 3x leverage, a $19,000 position. So I'm really looking to scale this up before we see the next big run up, but I want to wait for the perfect moment. So let's see and what happens during the rest of this week. But now guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, join our free community. Like I said, it's very easy, only takes a couple of minutes, and after that you have pretty much endless more information that you otherwise don't have, and especially talking to other people, I think is something that can be highly beneficial for each and every single one of you out there. So guys, go ahead, sign up on BitGet or on Phemex. You are supporting me by that. Thank you very much for that. As I said, on BitGet and Phemex you get up to $4,000 in first deposit bonuses, and on top of that on BitGet 15% reduced fees. This means you then have pretty much the lowest fees on the market with BitGet if you don't want to stake millions of BNB or FTT or whatever on Binance and FTX. So yeah, you are supporting me by that, and on top of that, as a thank you, you can join the free community where me and my team are providing you with updates and all that kind of stuff, and also a free trading view indicator that I already teased that is in the final is getting the final touches, and soon tutorial videos about that are also coming out. So guys, stay tuned. See you in the next video. If you have subscribed and activated the bell, see you then. Till then, bye.